Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these scrap clay earrings. Although they are simple, they are still very elegant. Grab your supplies and let's do it! Use whatever kind of scrap clay you would like. I'm using this scrap clay from a project I did. It's got blue and gold and white in it. And then choose a solid color that you want to mix with it. I have chosen white. Chop up your scrap clay and your solid colored clay and then mix them together. Take a chunk and put it in your mold. Be sure to press firmly to get all the air bubbles out. You can also use a roller if you would like. Use your tissue blade and cut off any excess clay. I'm making 2 big ones and 2 small ones. If you're enjoying this video or any of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I do post videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. Once you are done, pop them out of the mold. Pre-poke your eye hook holes. You'll need to place one at the top and bottom of your small circle. And one at the top of your large circle. Bake your pieces. Glue in your eye hooks and resin. To assemble your earrings, you'll need 2 jump rings, one to attach the bottom circle to the top circle, and one to attach the top circle to the earring hook. And these are them when they're done. You can experiment and make your own shapes by using your tissue blade cutter or different shapes in your mold cutter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!